Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2017 Ford Fusion SE, stock number B9318A. 48,000 miles on this local trade. Ingot Silver, metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the midsize car class, seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Nice size trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, as you can see. This SE has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, USB allowing you to connect media devices, automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Fusion has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 175 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Fusion, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.